How to get zero point 0.5 on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get the 0.5 or the wide camera on your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Snapchat. After you do that, you'll be on your Snapchat and there you will see your filters. Now if you swipe all the way to the left, you should find an option to search. Now if you don't find the search option, you can tap on this search icon on the corner of this bottom area. If you tap on it, you'll get to search for filters. Now all you have to do is search for 0.5. After you search for it, you'll see the ultra wide zoom. So simply tap on it, and from here you can take the ultra wide picture that you want to. And that's basically how you can get 0.5 on Snapchat, guys. Thanks for watching. That's basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.